Hello everybody, it's 12:44 and 12 seconds on Monday, September 10th. This is the drawing for the X-Men 141 and 142, Days of Futures Past. Over here on the left are the 9 filled spots. Let's quickly roll our 3 dice. The number is 15. Pardon me. I'm going to randomize 15 times. Name at the top of the list. Get both books. At this point, I'm probably going to ship tomorrow, September 11th. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is the final one, 15, spot 1, Steve St. Laurent. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Steve, I know you're in Canada. First class mail to Canada is still included in this, so no extra payment is due. It is 12:45 and 15